یہ اٹالین یوٹیوبر انریکا یہ اپنی اس گاڑی کے اندر اٹلی سے بائی روڈ پاکستان آئے ہیں. میرا یہ ڈریم ہے کہ میں مرنے سے پہلے پوری دنیا کو دیکھ جاؤں.
Next city I will visit will be Lahore. Golgappa is a very good char, say, no, das, at.
ناظرین گرامی، پاکستان سٹوریز اسلام آباد سے میں ہوں آپ کا ہوسٹ جواد ظہیر عباسی. یہ اٹالین یوٹیوبر انریکا میرے ساتھ موجود ہیں. یہ اپنی اس گاڑی کے اندر اٹلی سے بائی روڈ پاکستان آئے ہیں. ان کا یہ کہنا ہے کہ اس سے پہلے میں ایران آیا اور میں بلوچستان کے راستے پاکستان داخل ہوا. اس سے پہلے پاکستان کا جو دوسرا شہر ہے کوئٹہ وہ میں نے وزٹ کیا. اس کے بعد اب میں اسلام آباد آیا ہوں اور یہاں پر میں انجوائے کر رہا ہوں. میرا یہ ڈریم ہے کہ میں مرنے سے پہلے پوری دنیا کو دیکھ جاؤں. آئیے ہم ان سے مزے کی چٹ پٹ پٹی اور کراری باتیں کرتے ہیں. How are you?
Very good, fine.
How is your beautiful life going?
It's very good here in Islamabad. I'm having a very good time here.
How do you feel about Pakistan?
Nice to meet you. This is Enrico Russo from Italy. I'm 37. I entered in Pakistan around 3 weeks ago. Has been a lovely journey till now, and I was through Balochistan region. It's very interesting for me. Now I'm enjoying this beautiful and modern city like Islamabad is, and next city I will visit will be Lahore. So I'm feeling very good here in Pakistan. People is very nice and the weather is fantastic, so everything is good.
Did you visit northern area from Pakistan?
Well, I missed the northern part of Pakistan. I really would like to visit it, but in the proper season. So I will come back for sure in Pakistan in 1 year and a half when I will go back in Italy, and I will spend more time in the north of your country because I love mountains and you have such a beautiful landscape there that I really desire to go there.
Enrica, tell me that, do you like culture of Pakistan?
Absolutely yes. I love your culture, I love your people, I love your food, I love your history, your religion is very interesting, culture, and I'm very happy to be here and understand more about you.
How do you manage these things?
Well, as you can see, I live in a very small car. It's just 5 meters long. Well, I have everything inside. I have my shower, I have my kitchen, I have my bed, and so it's not difficult. I always live in the street, as you can see, but I feel very secure here in Islamabad, and people are very kind with me. They come here to say hello, do you need something? So I live in the street really, but not an issue for me because I can better understand the culture, the people. So I prefer to stay here instead of a very beautiful hotel with 4 walls and I'm closed and I can't see nothing. This is the proper way to see the culture, to see a country.
Okay, when we will compare our country and your country, and what is the difference between Pakistan and Italy?
I think we have many differences in our culture for sure, in our habits. I think you really enjoy more life. You have sometimes a simple life, but you can enjoy more. And that's the opposite for us because we in Europe, we have so many facilities, but we can't really enjoy our life as you do. So that's why I'm here as well, to understand from your culture how to better live my life.
And when we will ask about foods of Pakistan and Italy, so what will you say?
Well, I love spices, I love your flavors, so I really like everything I can eat here. For me, it's a beautiful discover every time to try new dishes. So for me, these are very interesting flavors. For sure, not like our Italian ones, but I think that both cuisines are very high quality, and I love both of them.
So my friend, tell me that you know about Golgappa.
Yeah, Golgappa is a very good dish here. I love it. I love the flavor of curry, and it's a very nice dish for sure.
Can you define about Golgappa?
Well, it's like a vegetable balls with curries and fried, and it's really delicious.
Okay. And especially tell me that what kind of food do you like? Spicy, sweet, or salted?
I mainly prefer vegetables because are lighter for my stomach to be digested. So for example, every day I take a lovely dal, for example, some vegetables with spices, and that's the best meal I can have in the journey.
Okay. Can I ask about your age?
Yes, for sure. I'm 37 and I started my journey just 2 months ago, but I would like to spend like 3-4 years traveling because I have also a small YouTube channel and I love to share my experience with other people. So this is not my only travel, this is the travel of thousands of people from India, from Italy, from Europe. And I never feel alone because I stay always with local people and then I make my videos for other people. So I'm alone, but I'm not.
My friend, tell me that you came here alone, not your girlfriend, not your parents, not your boyfriend. You don't have anybody. So how?
Well, I'm always alone, but I'm always also meeting many people. I met different tourists in my journey. I love to stay with local people like you. So yeah, I drive alone, but my journey is not just with myself. I love to stay with you, to understand your culture, and that's why I always stay with local people or other travelers.
Okay. After that, where will you go?
I will explore a bit more of Pakistan. I will go to Lahore, for example, and then I will cross a Wagah border to enter in India. I will spend some months in India, then I will go south to Sri Lanka, a beautiful island, then I will come back north to enjoy Nepal next summer. So this is my plans for next month, but my journey will be longer, and I want to come back here in Pakistan for sure to enjoy summertime, mountains landscape, and your culture as well.
How many days will you spend in Pakistan?
Now it's around 18 days I entered in the country, and my visa is only for 1 month, so in around 12 weeks I will have to leave Pakistan. But as I told you before, my desire to come back here is very high, and I really want to enjoy more Pakistan for a longer time.
Are you enjoying our environment?
Say it again in Urdu.
मैं क्या कंडा ते नहीं रिया होना होण.
Well, I really like everything here. I love people, I love nature, I love weather, I love food, so I'm feeling very good in your country.
Any message for Pakistani people or Italian people?
Yes, I have a message both from Italian and Pakistan. For Pakistani people, I want to say that you live in such a beautiful country and you are very lucky. But now I'm here and I'm very happy to have my small YouTube channel in order to inform many people about the beauty of your country. So the message for you Pakistani people is that you are living in a beautiful country, but you are more than welcome in Europe because we need you. You are good people, you are good workers, and that's good for us because we are getting old in Europe. While for Italian people or European people, I have to say them that Pakistan is such a beautiful country, and you are more than welcome here. People will love you, and there are historical, nature, and cultural things to learn. So please come Pakistan and enjoy this beautiful country.
Okay, can you speak Urdu? मेरा मतलब है पाजी तानू उर्दू बोलनी आंदी है?
थोड़ा
गिनती सुनाओ सानू.
1 2 3 4 5 4 6 9 10 8.
Good, very good, very good.
Step by step I want to know you and know your culture and your language because it's a good way to get in contact with you.
Okay, you want to learn Urdu?
Yes, I'm learning every day a few words, and that's my goal of this journey as well, to manage a bit your language because it will be more easier for me to get in touch with you.
If Pakistani government will allow you to stay a long time, so what will your reaction?
Well, I would love to spend here more than, for example, this month. I was applying for 2 months, but I received just 1 month. So my desire is to come back here in the summertime for longer time. So for sure, if I would have the possibility to stay here 6 months or longer time, I will enjoy it a lot. Pakistan, Zindabad.
नाज़रीन ग्रामी, आपको कैसी लगी मिस्टर अर्रिका की आज की स्टोरी ज़रूर मुझे बताइएगा. पाकिस्तान स्टोरीज इस्लामाबाद से आपने होस्ट जवाद ज़हीर अब्बासी को दीजिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.